making every possession count. No? They shot, what, 56% from the field. Eman Galman trying to facilitate another bucket right there for
Dalisay.
Good roll.
Giyab. Supalpal, inabot niya kay Ken Villepano. Masyado mahaba.
He's got that good reach. Look at that. Went the other side, but nope. No way.
Esqueriola. Nice pass to the outside. Lactauta will hit a 3. Labang na ulit ang Bacolod, 28-25.
Ito si Kurt Lactautau. Galing Guangming.
Stolen away by Dalisay. Attacking the defense of Bomar. Get finished, but the tip-in is good.
Bacolod taking it to the Knights. AC.
AC lets two guys fly by.
AC.
Minisig lang.
Oo.
AC. Ercon.
Oo.
Mainit yung laban eh. Mainit din ang shooting ng Bacolod.
And only because they move that ball a lot, you know, that ball's not sticking. It's finding the open guy. Corner 3 on its way. Yeah.
Apat na yan from Orlan Omar. Kobe Dalisay. Abadiano. Villapando. Side step. Flips it up and in.
So far, yung interior defense ang nagiging challenge dito sa Bacolod na what, 200,000, 300,000? Kung magpa-participate ka in Orlan. Omar.
35-33. Villapando. Back to Orlan Omar. He is not yet done. Sa score, mintis nga lang, parang free throws. Omar, pass to Soberano. Oh, AC with the rear drive.
And somehow you just feel that level of firepower by the San Juan Knights. No Mike Phillips inside. Good reply right there by Dalisay. Balik. Good backdoor. Perfect pass.
Of the second period, dalawa na lang ang lamang ng San Juan.
Dating magkalaban, ngayon magkakampi na. Oh, another 3.
For Trea! Terence hitting the 3. 8 threes combined. 8 of 19 ang San Juan. 6 out of 14 ang Bacolod. Pero pinabayaan nila sa kabila si Patrick Sleet.
Nitong San Juan Knights. Both Jester Marquez and Patrick Sleet can actually interchangeable almost at 5 and 4. As both can run the floor here against Bacolod.
Galman. Pass to the outside. Dalisay stroking it in from downtown. Extra pass. Dalisay again. It will roll out. Dexter Marquez the rebound.
Watch out for your wide runners. There you go.
Patrick Sleet will just lead in off that gorgeous pass.
You have Fortea on the left and that middle rim run by Patrick Sleet.
Galman over the outstretched arms of Dexter Marquez. No problem hitting it.
Passed it.
Tautau will receive it from Galman. He lost it. Patrick Sleet. Bounce pass. Marquez. The rim run. The basket and the foul.
For the Knights, so Marquez and Patrick Sleet. Earlier it was Patrick Sleet who made that rim run. Ito naman, si Marquez naman ang tumapos.
Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community.
Kala ko talaga si Patrick Sleet babalik sa Pasay.
Fortea with his second triple.
Nakawala ng 3-pointer ng Bacolod this quarter. They had 6 altogether. 4 naman ang pinakawalan nitong or 5 ang pinakawalan nitong San Juan Knights.
Air ball. Esqueriola on the run. Ram will sidestep his way to his 10th point. Nasaan si Torres sa labas? Wala pa din.
Oh my!
Patrick Sleet, fourth serving is finally the charm for San Juan.
Oh!
Patrick Sleet, look out! He will just lay it up and in for good measure.